Hey, boys and girls, this activity is called Caption Creator. So here I have a book page about the boat ride for the immigrants. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure I read the captions and never skip them and see all that the details, how they match the illustrations. And then on the other page, you are going to write your own captions to match the details that you see in the illustrations. So here's my first book page. And it says, in 1900, my family sailed from Italy to America across the wild and stormy Atlantic Ocean. And here is the photograph. And here's the caption. Immigrants were crowded onto boats going to America. Do you see how that perfectly matches in the photograph? Here's all the immigrants, and they're all crowded, and they're on a boat going to America. I also like how the author used the word immigrants instead of they, so I know who it's talking about. Here's the other picture, and here's the caption. The Statue of Liberty welcomed immigrants to America. And that perfectly matches what I see in the illustration. Here's the Statue of Liberty, and here's all the immigrants on the boat being welcomed by it. So now you're going to do page 2. I have 2 photographs here for you that I would like you to write your own caption for. And remember, we don't like to use words like they or the people. We've learned an important word for these types of people, so try your best to spell that, and always start your captions with an uppercase, finger space, and ending mark. Good luck, boys and girls, and make sure you look at all the details you see in the photograph.